rubber things out there, like all the extra dirt, and then it just kept sliding and the barrel came up. But it is what it is. Alright, good morning, good morning. First time I got the 240 back out after hella mods, so let's check it out. Today we're out at Crow's Landing. First and foremost is the Wisefab. Check out how wide this thing is. Installed in here. And I had to put on smaller front tires, so they're 17s instead of 18s. Otherwise, when I turn, it'll hit back here and hit up here, and that's also part of the reason why I'm not running fenders, because they just won't clear right now. And I've got new fenders coming in the mail. They'll just take a while to show up. And then of course you can see 99 spec front bumper. Looks so good on this thing. Gonna get the whole car wrapped one color, don't worry. So yeah, the angle kit's the main thing. Front bumper, and then just added on a little ducktail spoiler. So that's kind of the style I like. And once it's all wrapped, I feel like it should look pretty good. This is the first event with the Wisefab, so we'll see how it goes.
Just give it a couple more minutes, Josh. Looks like a couple more people are coming up to the line, and then we should be good. Awesome, thank you.
than the other one because I went super deep. Yeah, those are good. after lunch break.
Filming all day.
Yeah, so. Jeremy's been filming all day, so I want to give him some rides. After we've been working on this for like a year.
Finally got the,
we had a, what do we have? Some issues here. We had a coolant leak. As you can see here, it's kind of wet. So we had to just fill up with water, and then we had to re-hook up the ground for the radiator. Or the radiator fans weren't kicking on. But now it's all good, so. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, some candy? All right, let's get it. All right, let's go for some ride-alongs in the car, and then we'll get some more out of the car footage. Can we do 2? All right, get Luis behind me.
Hit that track again. That one's dope.
Oh, let's chase Luis.
Yeah, chase him.
Forward a little bit. I just want to see what this is.
That course is sick.
Yeah, I want to chase him.
Yeah. Dude, having an LS fucking dude.
Dude, you hear? I'm just like barely on it. I'm
dude.
just like,
Barely on it.
Damn, Luis, come back.
I definitely want to get some videos of you on this track. That was a temp.
203.
Perfect.
You can hear it on.
Yeah.
Kick it. That ain't doing shit. Jump it, everybody hit it.
Beat it up.
He like owes you money, bro.
Oh, I don't know. Let's get on fire. There you go.
Go grab my camera.
Is he a good driver?
I only saw him do donuts, but
What's up? What's up?
One time on that track?
yeah, in a little bit, cause I got all my crew I gotta take too.
Can I?
Yeah, just later on.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, that's sick. Dude, that car's badass.
Thanks, man. Yeah, let me grab my shit.
All right, here, I'll drop you off over there.
Yeah, good.
Oh, you want to film? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna
You film and I can take someone else or whatever.
That's what the Miatas, there's no, everything's manual, so like you learn real quick what not to do.
Yeah. When we start going, you might want to put the visor down because like dust and rocks fly in. Yeah. Because we're like going sideways. Yeah. Where's Jeremy? I saw him run out there.
He's back and forth. Oh, he's over
there he is. Nice. Nice. I'll get real close to him.
That's pretty sick, dude. Yeah. I think I'm gonna have to build something rear-wheel drive. That's powered.
Come on out. It's a good time.
All right.
Right here. Dude, I tilted that fucking barrel.
That shit's so hard. Run on, run. Thanks, dude. That was the baddest shit.
I wonder how much damage that did to my paint.
I don't know. That was a good pop.
Oh well.
Not too bad.
It could be worse. It could be worse.
Thanks, dude. You got no tire left, that's why.
One tire?
Oh, yeah, nice, man. What's wrong? Oh, shit. Wait, how did that happen?
I hit the loose rubber and the car kept sliding, and then I hit one of those white barrels.
Shit.
It's all
Nice
good though.
drift mark. Looks good.
I mean, it'll bang back out. So
yeah.
It's not like a bad dent.
Your tires are toasted.